Iron deficiency remains the world's most widespread nutrition disorder, affecting approximately 1.6 billion people, and also disproportionately affecting women and young children worldwide. More than half of women and children in India suffer from some form of anemia. According to the WHO classification for the public health burden of anemia, a prevalence of 40% and above is categorized as a severe public health burden.
देश में काफी संख्या में लोग एनीमिया के शिकार हैं। ये बीमारी आयोडीन और आयरन जैसे तत्वों की कमी से होती है। हालांकि पिछले कुछ वर्षों में आयोडीन युक्त नमक का उपयोग बढ़ा है। आयोडीन और आयरन युक्त डबल फोर्टिफाइड नमक के इस्तेमाल के लिए लोगों को और जागरूक करना पड़ेगा ताकि एनीमिया जैसी बीमारियों को हम दूर कर सकें। एनीमिया से मुक्ति का मतलब लाखों गर्भवती महिलाओं और बच्चों को जीवन दान।
Previously incompatible iron and iodine in fortification can now be combined through new technology in double fortified salt, which has been achieved after rigorous research for 20 years. The iodization of salt is a feasible, inexpensive, and highly effective means of eliminating endemic goiter and other iodine deficiency disorders that has been adopted by more than 50 countries. The double fortification of salt with both iodine and iron would be an ideal way to eliminate iron deficiency as well. The India Nutrition Initiative of the Tata Trust, through its Double Fortified Salt project, seeks to address the high public health burden of micronutrient deficiencies in India, especially in women and children. Iron deficiency is the single largest contributor to the burden of anemia in India. Anemia is known to adversely affect maternal and child health and also impede cognitive ability and work productivity in affected population. Salt fortification has the potential to complement existing nutrition interventions and reach larger populations in a cost-effective manner and at scale. India has successfully reduced the burden of iodine deficiency disorders by legislating fortification of salt with iodine. Further fortification of salt with other micronutrients such as vitamin B12, zinc and folate has the potential to make a similar impact on deficiencies of other micronutrients. The Tata Trusts and the India Nutrition Initiative, an initiative of the Tata Trusts, launched the DFS project in Uttar Pradesh in April 2016 to deliver DFS through the Public Distribution System (PDS) in 10 districts of Uttar Pradesh. PDS, Public Distribution System, is the most widespread program that reaches the poorest and most malnutrition sections of the Indian population. The program goal is to distribute DFS in an efficient and transparent manner at scale across India, utilizing the public distribution system with a major health impact.
टाटा ट्रस्ट के इनिशिएटिव से एनकैप्सुलेटेड फेरस फ्यूमरेट उसका जो मिक्सिंग करके जो हमने डीएफएस सॉल्ट बनाने का जो स्टार्ट किया, उसका मार्केट में इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस आया। आज हम लोग वन्या प्लस जो मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट के लिए होता है, सत्व जो गुजरात गवर्नमेंट के लिए है, सब ब्रांड का हम लोग प्रोडक्शन करते हैं और उसका मार्केट में बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है।
Tata Trust is a valuable partner for FSSAI in the area of food fortification, and their work in double fortified salt and milk is particularly very important and significant to the fortification effort overall in the country.
The ultimate objective of the program is to improve the iodine and iron status of population and protection of newborns against mental impairment due to iodine and iron deficiency disorders through increased utilization of DFS at household level. Our investment in DFS will benefit millions of people across the country, which in turn will ensure the health and well-being of India. DFS is a permanent and self-sustaining solution to end iron deficiencies.